Boost data ingestion efficiency with Amazon OpenSearch's new visual tool. Imagine turning a complex, hands-on task into a drag-and-drop experience. Well, that's exactly what Amazon OpenSearch Ingestion's brand new visual interface offers. If you've ever been bogged down in manual configurations, switching between different AWS consoles, or wrestling with permission setups, this update is about to change your workflow entirely. Amazon OpenSearch Ingestion isn't just any pipeline. It's a fully managed, serverless powerhouse that effortlessly ingests, filters, transforms, enriches, and routes your data straight into your OpenSearch domain or serverless collection. With a vast array of data sources and built-in processors, it's ready to handle even the most complicated data transformations seamlessly. Now, with the addition of a user-friendly visual interface, creating and managing these pipelines takes minutes. No coding required. This feature is designed to make your life easier, whether you're setting up your very first data pipeline or orchestrating a complex flow with multiple data manipulations and destinations. What makes this upgrade stand out? 3 major improvements. Guided visual workflow that walks you step by step through pipeline creation, making setup intuitive and straightforward. Automatic permission setup that takes care of IAM roles for you, dropping the headache of manual policy management. Real-time validation checks that catch errors as you build, so your pipeline works as expected from the start. In a nutshell, this new interface simplifies every phase, from discovering your data sources in syncs automatically, to configuring transformations, to setting up permissions, all with visual cues and instant feedback. Let's explore how it works. Instead of fussing over templates and manually copying resource details from S3 or DynamoDB, the interface's automatic discovery instantly populates drop-down menus with available resources. Selecting your DynamoDB table or S3 bucket becomes effortless, with the system handling all the back-end details for ARN retrieval and configuration. Security, managed for you. The new UI automatically creates a unified IAM role that grants all necessary permissions for your pipeline components. No more messing around with multiple policy edits or risking permission errors. If you already have roles set up, you can continue using those too. Validation is now proactive. As you add processors or tweak your configuration, the interface performs live checks, not just syntax but actual execution of your processor chain, to identify issues early. This means fewer surprises during deployment and confidence that your pipeline is ready to roll. Getting started is a breeze. Choose a blueprint like Zero ETL with DynamoDB, or start fresh. The interface guides you through selecting your sources with simple drop-downs, configures processors with search and add options, and lets you pick your sync destination with real-time updates to your configuration. Visual, immediate, and clear. You can configure advanced options like custom mappings and dead letter queues, seeing exactly how your choices translate into technical settings with instant YAML/JSON updates. Permissions, handled automatically, with options to create new roles or use existing ones, all managed behind the scenes to prevent errors. Once your pipeline is ready, you can edit it later using the same visual approach. No complicated scripts or manual edits needed. This new visual interface isn't just a shiny upgrade. It's a game changer, making data pipeline creation faster, less error-prone, and accessible for users at all levels. So why not give it a try today? Head over to the OpenSearch Service Console, pick your blueprint, and watch how quickly you can transform your data workflows and unlock new insights, more efficiently than ever before.